In this video, we're going to install the ECG Viewer program on both Windows and Mac. So to start, I'm going to open the web browser. I'm going to go to github.com/htm workshop. Once here, I'm going to go to the ECG Viewer repository, and then over on the right-hand side under Releases is going to be the compiled binaries for this program. So I'm going to click on Releases. And right here I have version 2.2.1, which is the latest version. And from here I'm going to, since I'm running Windows, going to select ECG Viewer 2.2.1 Windows. Download the zip file. Once the download is completed, go ahead and open up the zip file. And now you can close Firefox. Inside of the zip file is a folder and a program. So I'm going to take both of these and just, for now, put them on the desktop. Now I can close the zip file. The two files that I have here are the ECG Viewer program as well as the Arduino ECG sketch for uploading to the Arduino itself. For Windows, you can usually just open up the ECG Viewer program and it will open fine. In some cases, it may ask you to approve opening it since it's been downloaded from the internet, but sometimes it doesn't. Now this ECG Viewer program is a standalone binary, so you don't have to keep it on the desktop. You can put it wherever you want on your system. Now let's go ahead and do the same process on macOS. So I'm going to open up Safari. You can use whatever web browser you'd like and go to the same web page, which is github.com/htm-workshop. And down in the ECG Viewer repository, open that up. Click Releases down at the right-hand side. And then click on the Mac version. Once the download is complete, I'm going to go to the taskbar down here and click on Downloads, and then click on the ECG Viewer folder. Now from this point, I can close Safari. Inside of this folder, you'll have the ECG sketch for the Arduino. You'll also have the ECG Viewer program. The ECG Viewer program is a standalone binary, so you can open it directly from this folder if you'd like. It does take a little bit longer for the macOS version to open up. What may happen though on Mac is it will pop up this window saying it cannot be opened. And this is because the binary is not signed. So one thing you can do to get around this is click OK, and then right click on the program and click Open. From here it'll give you the option to just open the program, which you're welcome to do. Otherwise you could go to the GitHub page and download the source code and run it from Python directly. But for now, I'm just going to click Open, and the program will open normally. And that's it for getting the program both working on Windows and macOS. If you're having trouble finding the Arduino in your serial devices list down here, you also want to check the other video we made earlier on the FTDI driver, because there's a good chance it's not going to be installed by default on Windows and Mac. And for certain Arduino Nanos, you'll need to have the FTDI driver installed.